Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a lot of the things that I got in my most recent Amazon order in order to help me prepare for my family's upcoming Disney cruise. I have my friend here, Finn, that never leaves my side, so he'll be in our video today. I'm really excited to show you, so grab your coffee and let's get going. Before I get started, if you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla. I am a boy mom to 3, a travel agency owner, and a Disney travel expert. I share our family adventures and I share some of my work travels as well. So if that sounds like something that you're interested, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can stick around. Let's get going. I am taking my family on a 5-night Disney cruise. We are going to both of Disney's private islands, Castaway Cay and Lookout Cay, and then we have 2 days at sea. So I am really excited. This itinerary is so good, and I have started ordering some things to help us really maximize our time on the ship. These vacations can be really expensive and it can be overwhelming, and if you have everything that you need from the beginning, it eases that sense of overwhelm and really sets you up for success. This is not our first Disney cruise, so I have really learned some things along the way, and I'm really excited to share with you some things that I think are really going to level up our next cruise to make sure that we are really making the most out of it. First things first, I am going to show you these luggage tag holders. So when you book a Disney cruise, they will send you your luggage tags in the mail so that you have those to put on your luggage, and it marks your stateroom and your last name so that it makes sure that when you drop your luggage off with the porters at the port, that it actually makes it, number 1, onto the ship, and number 2, makes it to your stateroom. But they're just pieces of paper. And while we have never had any issues, ours have never gotten lost or fallen off or anything, I have heard some horror stories about people not getting their bags because their luggage tags fell off. So I ordered these, and they're just like a little sleeve. It's like a clear sleeve, and it seals here at the top. You secure it to your suitcase or your backpack or your tote bag, whatever it is, with one of these little colored metal things, and it makes sure that your luggage tag doesn't get ripped off or get messed up. And they were super cheap, so I was like, let's just go ahead and do it. I would rather be safe than sorry. So this is something new that we're adding to our cruise packing list for this Disney cruise. And everything that I am going to be talking about, I'll make sure to link down below so that you can look at it and see if it will be something that you would want to get for your family. I'll have those linked down below. The next thing that I am adding to our cruise packing list are towel bands. These are called the Towel Crabber, and it's a pack of 6. Ooh, and 3 of them glow in the dark. Would you look at that? So what these do is they make sure that your towel does not fly off, either in the wind or on the top deck of the ship when you're on a sea day. You will take these little bands, you put your towel on the chair, you take one of these little bands, and then you wrap it around the back of the chair to make sure that your towel doesn't fall off. And that may sound like a really silly little detail, but trust me, on a sea day when the wind is blowing, your towels are gonna be blowing everywhere. Another thing that these are really helpful for, every single person on that cruise is gonna have the same towel. They're the same towels, and it's really hard to differentiate which one is actually yours. So having these on your chairs really helps your towel and your chairs stand out so that you can make sure that you know where you're sitting at after you're going and getting in the pool or going to get ice cream or whatever. You'll be able to find your chair easier. So these were also very affordable, and it also comes with a little carrying case to make sure that you can put them all in. So I'm planning on using these on our sea day, and I'm planning on taking them onto the islands with us. We have 2 days at sea for this sailing, and we are really hoping to utilize 1 full day at sea to really spend time on the pool deck to make sure that the kids get to swim and go down the Aquamouse and the slides and all of the things. So we're definitely hoping to put these to use. All right, the next thing that I got is a little outlet extender situation. On our last cruise, we had 2 staterooms. So we were a little spoiled with number 1, the space, and number 2, the outlets and like USB-C ports and all of the things. So we want to make sure that we have enough outlets to charge all of the kids, like tablets and our phones and the switches and magic bands, you know, all of the things. So this actually, it folds up really small, and it pulls down so that you can plug it directly in And yeah, so it just goes right into an outlet and extends it so that you can utilize more plugs in one outlet. It has 3 of the regular plugs, 2 USBs and 2 USB-Cs. So I'm really excited to give this one a try. And another thing to note, you cannot bring extension cords on a Disney cruise. So that's why things like these are gonna be really helpful. Moving on. The next thing that I am going to be adding to my cruise packing list is quite possibly my favorite thing from this entire haul. And it is this magnetic toothbrush holder. And this, the back of it is completely magnetic. It comes with this little cloth. I'm not really sure what this is for, and I didn't get it for the cloth. I got it for the actual toothbrush holder. It has 3 compartments. The middle one's a little bit bigger, and I'm just so excited to use this. The reason that I'm getting this, number one, we're big germaphobes, and I don't want to risk any kind of situation where a toothbrush falls on the floor. And number two, because it actually happened to me on my last cruise. The last cruise that I went on was the Disney Destiny media preview sailing. And on the very last day, luckily it was the very last day as we were pulling into port, my toothbrush fell on the ground. And like, how tragic is that, you know? And I was like, I have got to figure out, make a mental note for my next cruise when I'm bringing all of the kids with me and the husband. I've got to find a solution that would make this not happen ever again. So found this handy dandy magnetic toothbrush holder, and I did test it. It works. I'm hoping, and this is one thing I have never tested to make sure that the bathrooms on the Disney cruise ships are magnetic. I would assume that they are, but even if they're not, I'm still gonna figure out a way to use this. You can put it on one of the little shelves. This is gonna be a game changer, and it's so affordable. Toothbrush holder definitely being added to the packing list. Okay, the next things on the list are going to be packing related. And this is going to be definitely a level up for my typical packing. Typically, I am your standard, throw everything in a packing cube, stick it in the suitcase, and we'll just kind of figure it out as we go type of gal. And with this trip, being that we have so many moving parts, because we have a pre-cruise resort stay at Walt Disney World, we have the 5-night cruise, and then we have a post-cruise stay also at Walt Disney World that I am trying to plan for and pack for to make sure that we're spending less time setting up the room and more time having fun and doing the things that my family wants to do. And one of the things that really takes a lot of time is actually getting the room set up and also like searching for your clothes and all of the things. So I've purchased a few things that are definitely going to make the experience so much better for me. Now, the first is a hanging organizer. This is not something I'm taking on the cruise with me. This is going to be what I'm going to use for our pre-cruise resort stay at Walt Disney World. This hanging organizer, it has little hooks that you can hang in the closet, and then it has 3 compartments. So there's one here, one here, and one here. Then it has a bottom basket that zips, so you can put things in there as well. So my thought is I'm gonna have my husband and I's clothes, the kids' clothes for the pre-cruise stay. We're gonna have it here in this so that all I have to do when we get into the hotel room is walk in, unpack our suitcase, hang this up in the closet, and we are ready to go. My plan is to pack this full and then just stick it in the suitcase, and then have a suitcase that is dedicated for the pre-cruise stay, so that all I have to do is roll that suitcase in that has this in it, hang it up, we are good to go. And we'll be able to go on about our evening and the morning before we get on the cruise, and everything will be super organized. So I ended up getting 2 of these because my plan was that I was gonna use one for the pre-cruise stay, and then the other one, this is how it comes packaged. I just haven't opened this one up yet. This one is going to be for the post-cruise stay. So we're staying 2 nights at Walt Disney World after the cruise. And so I'm gonna have this one. I'm not sure how I'm going to set these up just yet, and I will definitely do a packing video, but for now, the plan is to use one for the pre, one for the post. Sticking with the packing organization theme, I also got another hanging organizer that I'm planning on using for the post-cruise resort stay. And it is a super simple, very, very lightweight hanging organizer, and it has the little hook here so that you can hang it in the closet. One side has smaller pockets, and my thought is, instead of putting the kids' socks and underwear and swimsuits and things like that in a packing cube, I'm gonna try to put it in this, so that way I don't have to be digging through a packing cube or find a place for the packing cube. I can just hang this up. So this one has the smaller pockets on the front, and then on the back, it has some larger pockets as well that you can put shorts and t-shirts for the little ones. I would definitely say this is going to be something that I can use to pack the twins' clothes in. I'm not sure that Carter's clothes are gonna fit in this just because he's older, he's 12, so his clothes are bigger. But for the twins, we can definitely utilize this for them. And I'm planning on doing the same thing with this, packing everything in there, folding it up and sticking it directly in the suitcase so that I can just grab it out, hang it up, and we are ready to roll. So the next item is going to be more storage hacks, if you will. And I want to make sure that I'm not making purchases that are wasteful, because there are so many different things that you can buy. And I hate buying something that I'm only going to use once. So I definitely had that in mind when I'm purchasing all of these items. And specifically this one. I purchased this pool bag, and my thought is that this will be really handy for goggles, sunscreen, and even the towel holder situation. It has a zipper pouch and it has pool written on it, and it's clear so that you can see everything that's in it, pretty wide, and I think it's gonna hold everything just fine. So the twins actually do swim lessons here at home every single week, and I have been searching for some kind of solution to hold their goggles. And so this is gonna have like a multi-purpose use, which I love, but I am going to be packing this in our carry-on bag when we get onto the cruise ship. That way I can have it accessible for our pre-cruise stay and easily accessible for our post-cruise stay, because goggles, they need their goggles. Whenever they get in the pool, they whine if they don't have goggles. So we've got to make sure that we've got that. This actually came with another smaller little pouch, and it has like a life preserver on it, but I'm gonna use this for our magic bands. And I love the idea of predictability. I want to know where everything is at every single part of the vacation so that I'm not searching for something. And that is something that I found to definitely ring true from our last cruise. I found myself kind of searching for things because they weren't organized in the best way. So having this little pouch that is going to be, our magic bands are gonna live in here, and we're gonna know exactly where they're at all times. Now, I will say this is pretty good quality. It's definitely not like Stony Clover quality, but I would say it's pretty good. And the letters are sewn on, so they're not glued on, which I find that if you get the letters in patches that are glued on, they typically fall off. So these are sewn on, which is great. It's really good quality. I was really impressed by this. This one is also sewn on. Okay, second to last thing, another packing organizer. This is something that, oh my goodness, I'm so excited about. I have needed for so long, and I just have never bit the bullet and found one that I liked. And I found this one that I was really excited about, and it's pink. I love this like baby pink color, if you can't tell. But it is a cord and charger organizer. I typically just have a big like tote bag, not tote bag, like a accessory bag. I can't think of like what the actual name is right now. Pouch, a pouch, that's what it is. A small pouch where I throw all of the cords in, and it ends up, everything gets tangled and you're looking for a specific cord and you can never find it, and then you have to dump everything out. It's just no good. So I found this little cord organizing pouch that I'm very excited about, and it has all of these little pouches. These ones are a little bit larger on this side. So there's 3 up top and 2 on the bottom. And you can just put all of your cords in there and they're gonna stay organized. And then on the other side, it has 2 pouches up here. This one's kind of large, this one's small, and then this one is really big. It's amazing. I cannot wait to get all of our cords organized and put them in here. And this is something that can be used so many different ways, so I'm very excited for this. Last thing, and this was definitely not a need. It was not a need. I did not need another one of these, but I saw it and I really liked it. And it was on sale, so I had to buy it. Another tote. So I'm really not a big tote gal. I'm more of like a backpack gal, but I really liked this one and I liked how big it was and it's washable. Amazing. So it is a checkerboard, big old beach tote, and it has two big pockets here in the front. It has side pockets on the sides for water bottles and things. And then it has a zipper. It has a zipper close, which is wonderful. That is my biggest gripe with totes, is that if they don't have a zipper, everything falls out. So it is massive, super big in here, and it's double lined. It has two pockets on the inside, and then it has a big zipper pouch right here. So I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna use this as our embarkation day bag. So I'm gonna put all of our stuff in here. I'm super excited about it. It's very, very lightweight. It's not a thick tote, which I can appreciate, and it's great quality. I was really excited about this one. So if you're looking for a good, large beach tote, pool bag, just everyday tote, this is a good one. Another thing that I wanted to mention is my sweatshirt is Darling Dream Co. Bree from Darling Dream Co. is so, so sweet. She's so nice. I actually have a discount code with Darling Dream Co. So if you like anything that you see on her website, you can use the code THEKAYLABALL at checkout and it saves you 10%. I absolutely love everything that Bree does. All of her designs are hand drawn and the quality is top notch. I have so many things from her and it's just amazing. All right, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love sharing all of the things that I am getting to really enhance and level up my vacation. Hope you enjoyed it and I hope that this is helpful for you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed so that you can see how I actually put all of this to use when I start packing for our Disney cruise. Thanks again for hanging out with me today and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.